Okay guys, I'm going to be looking at two trades today, US JPY and Euro JPY, mainly Euro JPY for the guys in the squad, which is Lineth. And then following on from the live call we did this morning, mainly for Justin, a little salute to you, where we broke it down, we gave our predictions. Now the first one came and I said I would revisit this afternoon. So if you're new to the channel, do subscribe. Generally motivates me to do more. And all the channel is me, cup of coffee, feeling knockers. Hey, I'll get you, Willie. All right. Being a bit of a dick. But basically, yeah, shut up you. But mainly just doing my job on the charts, because that's all it is. It's a job, it's live, and you get what we see. So let's jump into this. So we've got two charts running, or we've got two charts marked. We're looking at this one. Now, this particular one, I'm actually going to be trailing to get 10 pips. I'll show you this sheet in just a second because I need to drop the order in on it. Bear with me just half a second. So we're going to drop the order in. It's going to be slightly above, and we're working it out for about 10 pips. Okay, so that order's in, so we're going to be watching that. Now this all comes from this. All right, this is the Discord that I run. If you want to see the way that I trade, you can visit my website, scruffytrader.com. You'll see these modules, or you just come into this Discord group through YouTube and you'll find all my modules. Okay, that's how I work. Now in here, if we move up, you can see I've done the breakdown here. That's just gone in for them. They're all having a bit of a chat. And it comes from this question here, because they do have access to the bias tools that I use and working it out. So I'm going to trade that for them. But also in the market calls, we go live every day. Well, every work day rather. And if we're in the bar, we are in there every day as well. That's 24-hour bar. So there we are. We're all coming together. And we had a bit of a chat. And then we started breaking down the chart and working it all out live in front of them. So I can't really be any fairer than that. And when sort of people are twisting on about trading and one thing and another, it's all well and good showing a move that's already happened. It's a little bit harder to do what I'm doing now, where I told them what's going on before I've done it. So you tell me. So that's what this is all about. Now, if I look at this, we can see this one I need to change because that was done earlier on this morning and I haven't updated it yet. So I'll update that in just a moment. But what we're working on at the moment is this. Okay. So it's telling me it's not going to be a great trade. No trade. All right. But what it's also telling me is that the scalping criteria is pretty good. Okay. So all I'm going to do is I'm looking for about 10 pips, being a little bit careful with it. So that's why I've downgraded it from 12 and I'll be happy. So what I'm going to do is we're just going to let the camera play out a little bit and I'm going to flick over and rescore USJPY while we're watching this. And then I'll come back and I'll tell it, right, it's gone into market. So hopefully it'll surge up into that. If not, I'll be putting staged orders in as well. And then I'm going to look at this and I'll come back to you when I've done the scoring and I'll show you what the update of that is. Okay, so I'll catch you in a minute. Okay guys, I've just updated the tool so we can see what's going on with it. Now this is in play now this one here is now telling me to scalp it, and it's telling me the trade is a buy. My red lights and my plus ones, they're agreeing with it. And it's telling me to go for about 8 pips, which is here, but it's also saying it's risky. So I've got to be a bit careful. So just drop that over to one side. The other one's coming into play as we speak. I'll drop that into 5 minutes for you so you can kind of watch that one play out. Okay, so that needs to get up to here. Now I've also, while I was doing it, dropped it into here so the guys can see what's going on. They're actually speaking live with each other in the bar, so that's a good thing. So we'll watch that. So with this one, I want to be placing an order in around this area. Okay, so it's a scalp. It's pretty much not a million miles away, ready to rock and roll. So we'll just drop that order in for this. Now that one we said was 8 pips, so we're going to drop our 8 pips in. Kabash. Okay, right, so that's running. This one, where that area is there, drop it down onto 5 minutes so that we can see them run together. What I'm going to do is I'm going to try and follow red candles. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the cluster point, I can actually get this a little bit further down, maybe it's to about there. So that'll work. This is working. Job's done. It's not difficult. Now, the essence of what I'm doing, apart from grabbing a coffee, because we all know Scruffy likes a coffee. He does, you know. Yeah, I love a coffee.
Oh, you don't say.
I know. What do you love?
I like a coffee too.
You like a coffee? Well, you got the CEO bit, right? She got me a biscuit, boys and girls. This is nice, isn't it?
Oh, the possibly going to be here.
Yeah, I get stuff. I'm going to eat it. Right. So, really all I've done is I've done multi-time frame analysis, worked out what the general direction is, then worked out roughly what the correct target is, and then it's a case of just staging into it and then play it out to a win or a loss. I do it all the time. It's just one of those things. Case in point, done it this morning. So another account, same criteria. It's out dead. There's a history. It's done 117 this morning. Happy with that. But over the course of a couple of days, just pull it back sort of last week or so. There you go, all the way down. Bing bang bing, bang a bing a bing, bing bang bing, bing a bang a bing, bing bing bing. 920. So you can make good money just by following simple processes. That's it, guys. That's all you do. You just follow simple processes over and over. So let's play it out, and I'll see you on the other side. Okay, guys.
You want another coffee?
She didn't bloody shut up, you know.
What do you mean?
What you mean? Well,
I'm only asking you what we're taking on holiday. You can just leave your stuff behind.
Taking
I mean, I'm not taking that.
Why not? You bought it on the last one.
I did not buy
You
it.
did. She didn't, you know. She didn't know, you know, boys and girls. She did. She did. I bought this.
No, you didn't. I bought it.
She did, actually. She bought me this. She bought me that. I'll show you what it is, and I'll come back to this. She bought me that because she said I'm a big shit.
No, I didn't.
Well, it's all right. I said you
It's
wouldn't
like
have
a
it.
stress thing, and you had one, but you played with it that much, it exploded. So I bought you a new one.
I did actually had a tit on me thing and I burst it. Okay, so no orders, cashed it out. So that was 8 pips on that one. Oh, just a sec. Yeah, got all my tickets off. And if I flick it over onto the other chart, again, got my pips, nothing on that chart either. So that's 18 pips in, well, let's see, probably about 10 minutes. But the part that you didn't see is the preparation that goes in behind it. So it's currently 5-1 with an empty coffee cup. Not that I'm dropping any hints here.
You've just had one? You want to?
Yes, please. Sorry, like I said before, this is all live. And oh, she's gonna. Will you leave us alone? I'm not your personal sex toy. You know, you have to understand I have feelings. All right.
You just hide them well.
I do hide them well. So, let's get back to this. There's never a script in any of these videos. It's just me, the camera, the coffee, and Winky turns up. That's about it. And we have a good time all the time.
I'll get you first.
But when it comes to my job and the chart, I study it intensely. I want to understand what the chart is, so I break it down fully a long time before I go to market. So when I do go to market, I've got a good idea of what I can get. Now, the secret to success, or I guess the secret to my success, is homework. You've got to get your homework right. If you don't do your homework, you're kind of finished before you start. And what that does, that really will screw you over. Because, how do I put this? All right, if you're swatting for an exam, okay, and you go into it blind, have you got any idea what you're going to write on the exam paper? No, you don't. So you do your homework and you revise and you get better. And then when you sit down to answer the questions, they're a breeze because you already know what's going on. That's what the charts are to me. I do my homework first, and then I'm not greedy. I'll take what it's willing to give me, and that is into the next stall point, less whatever the spreads are, because it's got to push through. And if it breaks through and keeps on going, amazing. Doesn't matter, as long as I get what I initially set out to get. And that, to me, is what trading's all about. I might be wrong. Told I'm wrong every day. But every day I come to chart and I kind of follow it over, chart to chart, tell the guys what I'm doing before I do it if they ask me, you know, and a lot of the time I do it if they don't ask me because I've got a big gob. I'm doing this, off we go, carry it out. Go in the Zoom calls, I'll do it in front of them. We're in the bar yesterday, pulled up Bitcoin that I was trading, did it in front of them. And it's not to be done as signals or anything like that. I've got zero time for signal hunters. And I'm certainly not going to let somebody follow my trades because I'll be in and out before you've even decided to go into the trade. So following somebody's trades, following signals is no good. What you want to do is understand how that person did the process. Just something for you to think about. Anyway, so this is just for you. So there you go, Lynette. That was done for you, kid. And as always, trade well, keep your risk managed, but above all, do what you love, and the money will follow. See you all in the next one.